Welcome back, y'all. Today, what's it called again? I want some soup. It was called mustard button.
His only time, because now that he's 6 and starting to weigh more, he might not get to do it again. So we're gonna go. They're giving buckles to the top 10 places, and then they'll have a short go later on, and they'll have a buckle for like the champion. So
Yes.
So what are you gonna do?
Hold on tight.
Hold on tight. And what are you gonna get?
A new belt buckle.
A new belt buckle. 10 places. He can hold on. He can hold out long enough for it to make top 10, huh? All right, y'all follow along with us and see how he does. Are you excited? How was it?
Good.
Good? You held on, didn't you? Excited? Alright. What makes you find out you got top 10, huh?
Yes, so.
Hey, did you make it?
Yes.
You made it top 10, didn't you?
What did I do?
You did! You made it top 10! You get a buckle! And you get to go to the short go later!
Okay.
I know!
I'll just on the feet.
You ready? You gonna do it? Alright. Let's go. You ready? Now hold on tight, okay? Hey, look at me. Good luck. Don't let go. Okay? I love you.
Hey y'all. So it's been a couple days since Eli's mutton busting over the past weekend. We trying to do a little maintenance here around the place with some of the animals and stuff. We got all these goats here and we need to give them their annual round of CDT, and some of the new babies that we've got, we need to give them their boosters. We got a couple of them that we're going to ban and need to trim their hooves and all that good stuff and just check them out, make sure there ain't nothing going on with them. As you can see, the pen here don't have any grass or anything. This is just a holding pen at night for them. During the day, we open the gate here, let the chickens and the goats all free range, and then we feed them in the evening time here, you know, just as kind of a little supplement. They pretty much get what they need out when they're grazing during the day, but just to keep them coming back here so they're protected at night and whatnot from all the varmints and critters and Lord knows what else around here. So y'all tag along, watch this chaos. So on the adult goats, they just get a annual booster of CD and T. It's Clostridium perfringens type C and D, and then basically a tetanus toxoid. I can say tetanus, can't say the rest of it. But the best thing that we found to use is like a 20 gauge needle. This needle's a little bit short. I wish I'd have got something a little longer, but it's just what we had laying around. It's 20 gauge needle, and then your 6 milliliter syringe. Each one you give 2 milliliters per animal, whether it's kids or adults. And then on this stuff here, you always read on the...
What? Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
On this stuff here, it's always good to read on the bottle and see how they want you to inject it. It's either going to be subcutaneously or intramuscular. Intramuscular is basically straight in the muscle. Subcutaneous is underneath the skin. On goats, all the research we found and everything, best seems to be right behind, you know, one of the front shoulders, right underneath the skin on the goats. So, and we'll, as we do them, we'll show you a little better how we do it.
I'll run them out. Move.
Yeah, you want them. You want them out.
Go. Go, go, go. Shh. Shh. Back up. Shh. Ah! Go, crab, get in here. Ah!
You gotta get the baby. Don't put all your weight on him, just a little bit. All right, and hold that leg up so he can't get up, okay? It always seems to get a little easier if you pull your syringe back and get a little air in it. That way you can push some air into there, make sure it's all the way down, and then turn your bottle up. That way you get the fluid. Seems to keep your syringe from wanting to collapse back down. A lot of times it makes it easy. Alright, move this thing. That way I don't poke you. Okay? Go on, dog.
Yeah, I don't let him up just yet.
Let him up. So I'm trimming their hooves. I'm not the best at that, but I just basically try and get their hooves back down to where they're flat-footed again for the most part. You got to be careful not to go too deep and whatnot. So Somebody that knows a little bit more about that, comment down below. Give me some pointers, because we are winging it.
He's mad. Oh God, he's mad. The heck with his feet.
The thing's loud and it just got dirt all over my eye.
Last one, Eli?
Yeah.
Come again?
This one.
You wore out?
No.
He's doing some cowboy stuff.
Yeah. Just doing cowboy stuff.
Almost done, huh?
Well, we finished up with all the goats and everything, so all the fun's over now. Now we just go goof off, time to go feed all the other animals and everything else. So thank y'all for watching, and y'all stay tuned. We got some roping events and other stuff coming up within the next probably week or two. So y'all stay tuned and see what else we can get into. Tell them to hit the like button and subscribe.
All right, look at me.
Hey y'all, so today we finished all the baby goats, all the big goats, and we all whooping some goats without doing my medicine. So we did it. Now we whooping without doing it.
Yep. Tell them like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Press the subscribe button. See you next video.